In a couple of minutes, we're going to head out the door and go for a little walk and talk. And I just wanted to let you know that we're not picking on this neighborhood. We're not promoting this neighborhood. We're just using it as a bit of a backdrop to talk about some of the issues and what are some of the features that can really, where a neighborhood can really help a person to be more healthy or can really hinder health. We really see that the healthy choice needs to be an easy choice, and that government really needs to play a role in promoting and supporting people to be healthier. For example, it's not so easy to ride a bike and to work in heavy traffic, but if there's a bike route, all of a sudden it's a lot more feasible. Or if you have to pay 50% of your income to buy a nutritious diet, it's not so doable. 10%, okay, that's a little bit more reasonable and likely. And if you think about all of the walkable streets in Vancouver, so think about Commercial Drive, in Kids, in Denman, Davie Street, some of the features that they all have in common is that they've got quite short blocks, and the blocks have got small storefronts, so they're really quite interesting to walk along. There's lots of color, lots of different places and different services that you want to access. And those kinds of strips are also supported by a fairly good density. So you've got low-rise or high-rise townhouses, and in this neighborhood we've got a mix of those and enough people to support these businesses in order to keep them lively.
That's not a good memory.
I didn't
walk around this area just so you get to your destination.
Some dude on the trolley.
Yeah.
What's he doing?
Very good example of universal design. They make a walking environment accessible to strollers, to wheelchairs, but then it's interesting that it leads out to there and there's not so great. One thing that I'd like to point out about public parks, walkable neighborhoods, cycling friendly, is all of those are examples of universal facilities, right? So those are things that anybody can use. There's no fee. Full playing field for people that already face a number of disadvantages. Those things really even things out for people because there's no stigma, there's no signing up to say, oh, can I have the low-income pass, please? It's just, you know, it's really inclusive.
And so the Canadian Cancer Society, as one of our 4 major election priorities for this upcoming election, is calling on the provincial government to ban the sale, use and application of cosmetic pesticides in parks and recreational areas and private lawns and gardens. And we really believe that the precautionary principle is definitely of weight here, and it's better to be safe than sorry.
So we thought we'd stop here because this is as close as we get to early childhood development, and you know, we were going to go into a child care center, but just wanted to really flag the importance of quality early childhood education and care, and the importance of early childhood development. I'm not sure how many of you know, but child's early experiences and development establish a foundation that impact children's readiness for school. So whether they're ready to learn in kindergarten, whether they have some of those basic cognitive, emotional, and skills.